Okay, so I am in Firefox and I have to perform the requirements. So basically, I have to I have to go to the options menu, advanced. So I go to options menu, then I go to advanced. So yes, I'm looking for the options menu, and there I go to options. Then I have to go to advanced, and then select network tab, click settings. Okay, so I select network tab, click on settings, then select automatic proxy configuration URL at the bottom. Okay, I select this, then I have to add this into the URL field, and then I have to click OK. So I put this and I click OK. OK. So I have done the settings. And then I have to go to this website. The URL is not valid and cannot be loaded. Okay, so I will again check. So probably I have to remove this. Yes, so it is asking for a username and password. I have to give username marketing and the password is this one. So username is marketing, password, and I say okay. Yes, so now I am into the website, and from the products page, navigate to the Jira product page. Okay, so I go to the products page, and from here I have to navigate to the Jira product page. So this one. So I click on probably learn more. Okay, so next task is when on the Jira page, do you start reading the paragraph of text or instantly start watching the video? So I actually, when I came to this page, I was about to read the document before watching the video. So I will read it now. Your development process, your rules. Jira is a project tracking tool for team building great software. Jira sits at the center of your development team, connecting the team with the work being done. Link issues to related source code, track bugs and defects, plan agile development, monitor activity, report on project status, and more. So I actually read this part before watching the video. So without watching the video, what do I think Jira does? So basically, I am also working in the same industry, so I know actually what this application does. So it's like it sit in the center, and it's a project tracking tool. So it tracks the progress of the project. So in a project development life cycle, there are many stages, like you start with the requirement analysis, you go to development, then you go to your system testing, and then you go to integration testing. Finally you do maintenance and closure of project. So basically, this is a project tracking tool, according to me, which sits at the center of the development team, and it connects the team and the work being done. So basically, it tracks the progress of the work uh, of the development team. So in the development phase of a project development life cycle, there are a lot of things you have to develop the source code, you have to check in, check out the source, you have to track the bugs, defects, and then the project cycle can be agile development cycle. They can also monitor your activity report and project status. So it's like a complete project tracking tool. Explore the tabs in the Take the Jira tour. Take some time to read and share which tabs grabs your attention. So I will go to this one. So so this is try Jira for 30 days free, no credit card required. There is an overview of it. There is a pricing, what's new. So these are the things which are attracting my attention. The pricing thing is the actually first one which I looked for. So then I come here and I see on demand and download. So on demand is no installation required. In 5 minutes I can get start, and I can there is option to migrate to my own server. Technical support, we won't call you. So this is like something which it's just for me to have some trial of this application. And then there is a option of downloading. So basically I can download and I can check whether my project this tracking tool is working well for my project or not. So these are the things which grab my attention. Basically the pricing one, I would like to click on it. Maybe this will be the next task, so I go to the next task. So how easy it is to find out about certain features in Jira. Try to find information on integration, plugin, and code review. So okay, let me go back, go to the overview. So these are the features in the Jira. So there is a keyboard shortcuts which are there. Then I can track a lot of thing, bug improvement, new features. Then there is a configure your own workflow. There is a link issues to source code, advanced search. So there are a lot of features. If I go to bug and tracking, there is a lightning first bug tracking. So basically I can use these shortcut keys to go to trackboard, find issues. There is my personal dashboard, which is my things to do. Then there is like Tetris team, TPS team. I can create a lot of dashboard regarding different teams. I can build a reporting. I can build the reports with this tool. And then there is a add-on. So I have to find information on integration, plugin, and code review. So extend Jira with popular add-ons. So these are the add-ons which are there. So maybe the plugins or the add-ons. These are the things. Code review, basically I will find in code integration. So this feature, there are several features in it. So like I can link issue to source code. Then there is a notification build, encourage code review. So this is the part for the code review. Add-ons, then again there is an add-on, so I can basically add these features, which are the plugins. And then there is a workflow I have to find, or integration, maybe, yeah, code integration. So there should be some features for the integration. And then there is another plugins, so this is again for the plugins. I will go to the project management. Okay, I will go to the next task now. What are your thoughts so far? What is your understanding about Jira does? What are your lingering questions? So basically, I have worked on various projects, and there is a complete project development life cycle. Looking into this software, I think this is basically more for the development, only for the development part, where I can I can completely manage the development part of the project, where the code is written. There is a source code. You have to write the code. You have to find the issues. You have to find the bugs, and you can integrate actually a lot of plugins to make your work simpler. You can have a good code review. You can have code integration from other codes, and you can also have reporting. So this is what Jira does. What are my lingering questions? Probably how it works is my main issue, because this is just the theoretical part, but actually I have also worked on different IBM related software which does almost kind of the same thing, but actually I want to know how this application works, or maybe a little demo somewhere can help me. So now the seventh task is try to find out how much Jira would cost. Yeah, that is the pricing part. So there are two things I have to do: on demand and download. So this is on demand. So depending on the license which will be provided to the users, I think these are the 15, 11 to 15 is $50 per month. Then if the user increases, the price increases. First 10 users is just $10 per month, which is quite cheap according to me. And then download is a bit more costly, because I think it will have more applications, and maybe I can have more control over it. So take some time to read the details and explain the difference between on demand and download. So on demand is like it's written, it's your dedicated instance hosted and managed by us, and download is deploy on your own server any way you want it. So on demand is just like I go and I do a little test, but everything is hosted and managed by this application, and I can just have some features which I can use, but then I don't have to take any pain of downloading the software and managing it. It all taken care by Jira. On download, like it's completely my application. If I'm working for a very big project, I think then this is a good option, and I want to have a complete control over the software, and where I can manage it, and I can also change it the way I like. So ninth task is, do you feel like you know enough about Jira to declare whether or not the trial product at this point? I think I know enough about this software to have a trial of this. If not, what else do you need to know? Maybe on the home page there was a video which I didn't see, but maybe if a small demo of all the features, it will be helpful. Uh, click on Click through the start to start an on-demand trial. Okay. So stop when you reach the start my free trial. Okay, so I have to start, which is here, start my free trial. Okay, how hard was it to start a trial? It was not very hard because I just clicked one button. Was it probably I have, if I click here also? Oh, so no, I think I have to go back. But it was very easy to find this page. Is it easy to find the FAQs? FAQs I haven't yet seen. Yeah, it is there. So these are the FAQs. It is not very hard. It is very easily available in this website. All the features are quite clear and it is very user friendly. And the application looks quite nice. And the people who has a real requirement of this kind of applications would basically have should go and have a trial version of it. Thank you.